Oh shit. Man, this is why I hate the fucking casting shit, because you ran out of stuff. Isn't this a shortcut? Oh, maybe it is. Boss time? Oh, the misery. This is the Indiana Jones moment. But the next boss will be the Queen, the Moon Queen, Ronnie's mom, basically. Actually, I think no, it's Ronnie, I think. But I don't know. I don't. Maybe it's Ronnie or Ronnie's mom. I don't remember the story, but it's either or. Oh, the misery. There will be a guy here, yeah. The sim guy, the sims for the queen. Like basically, this is like Jon Snow. What up? Oh wait, he blocked it all. Oh, my bad. Oh no! Yo! Yo! Okay, he's playing dirty too. Goodbye. Oh, the misery. What up? I think this is a shortcut or something. I don't know. I don't care what's there. I know that the queen is up here. We're just gonna go and kill her ass. This is actually a wing. I didn't even notice it. I know it's called the wing, but or a wing of Astel, but I didn't know that it's actually a wing. Well, it is actually a wing. In case you guys didn't know, it is a wing. It'll cover.
I'll soon birth thee anew, a sweeting, fresh and pure.
Man, it's so sad. It's kind of disappointing that this game is made with the same engine as Bloodborne. That's actually so sad, dude. Imagine like there's a new game and they haven't actually updated the game engine. Like this is the same as Bloodborne. Unbelievable. I mean, it looks better because they used different models or something. But this is the same engine as Bloodborne and Dark Souls 3. Like the graphics are not bad. Where's the girl with the that halo? That's what I need. Fuck you. There will be another girl with the halo and then the queen. Wait, there's one more maybe? No. You are. I didn't do a lot of damage to her. Okay, well, that's disappointing. Never mind. I'm kind of sad now. I thought I'm gonna just murder her ass, but apparently not. Wow. Well. Where is the girl with the halo? Okay. This might be a tough fight for a mage. Wait, something just spawned in. Okay, so this doesn't work. Let's try this one, because I don't know. That's sad. This is depressing. Oh my god, this is so depressing. I might die here, actually. This is pretty bad. This is looking pretty bad. Jesus, dude. What is happening? I don't even know what's happening. There's one more somewhere. Okay, well. Good luck at fucking McDonald's. To me.
My beloved, have no fear. I will hold thee. Patience. Ye will be countless born, forever and ever. Upon my name as Ranni the Witch. Mother's rich slumber shall not be disturbed by thee. Foul trespasser. Send word far and wide. of the last queen of Caria, Renala of the full moon.
She's not vulnerable to magic, so I think I just have to beat her ass with my sword. This might be a hard boss actually for me. Man, this sword is too good, dude. Oh my god.
Oh, little Ranni.
Oh my god, this sword is too good, dude. Special attack on this sword is... She get fucking staggering, dude. Nice. Good shit. That was quality.
Where did ye flee, my sweetings? Is it thy wish to become? Be not I would birth.
Man, this sword is too good. Oh, I can level up almost. Oh shit, okay. We need more FP. So we go for 32 mind and 32 endurance. Now that the queen is defeated, we can go to Ranni. Thank God. So for that, I have to go back here, actually. Oh, music. This build is too good, dude. Actually, though. Up here. This is where we go. So I will talk to Ranni, unlock her questline, and talk to the other guy and unlock his questline. And then... and then I'm trying to think what's next. Because I think the next area could be... like where we started. I don't want to go to Kalit today. Like, I don't want to go to this area down here. Like, this is a bad area. I don't want to go there. But I could go down to the Siofra River and do stuff there. I guess. The underground area. We could do that. Yeah, I think that should be the plan, because there's a boss. There's like a few bosses we could kill, or like still. Like, for example, in the hidden stuff I was talking about, there's like, how many bosses? There are the gargoyles too. I'm not sure. There are like a few bosses I could kill. Oh, I hate this place. Oh, dude, this place is so bad. You will see why. There'll be a boss here too, but man, this place is ass. So I will just skip this place like completely. I hope you guys don't mind it. Like I would just run through it really quick. This place is ass. It does like so. This game doesn't have spiders. It's very important, but this has something better. It's just as disturbing as spiders. But Dark Souls 2 has a lot of spiders. Dark Souls 3 doesn't have spiders. I don't believe so. Dark Souls 1, I don't remember. I don't think it has. Bloodborne does have spiders. I think it's only Bloodborne and Dark Souls 2. Do you see what I see? Do you see that? Do you see what I'm targeting? Do you see those up there? Or in front of me? Or like anywhere that you look? I'm gonna show you what those are. I said I'm gonna show you what those are. Yes. That's right. We have hands. That behave like spiders. I know, very cool, and I can't even fucking mount here. So, yeah. I don't like this place because there are some hands like in the ground, and if you walk over them, they just like grab you from like because they are like, you know, hidden beneath the ground. And you can kind of see them because their fingernails are out. Or like, yeah, the tip of their fingers, but it's like kind of hard to see. And it's just, this place is just annoying. And there's nothing here, there's a boss here. So I'm just gonna try to kill that. And then we go to the actual quest giver. And they also do like some magic shit, yeah. These hands will be like later in the game as well. Like they will come back. So there's a boss here soon. It's pretty easy, it's an easy boss. It's kind of a speed run of all the important bosses. So that's why I do not want to do Kaylee today. We might not even do the Sea of River, but I want to do like an extra boss because I know that there's a boss like... Hold on, let me... It doesn't let me open the map because I'm in combat. So there's a... Man. So there's a boss down here. And I want to kill that. Yeah. So, I don't know. Because I don't want to do Kaled. What I want to do, what I could do is go here. And go to the Sea of River, like the underground area, but... I don't know, we will see if I can do that. Because it's related to a quest. Well, for several quests. Well, for like 2, but yeah. We could do that. Boss time. This way, I guess. We have to find 3 towers. One of them is sealed. We don't care about that. We care about the middle one and the bottom one. The 3 sisters, yes. So this one up here will be sealed. There's a dragon here. Don't worry about it. We don't care about the dragon. There's a dragon here. We don't care about this one. This tower is... There's a dragon. I don't think I can kill it. I don't even want to kill it. What I want to get here is the quest from the witch. And she will send me to Seofa River. Actually, no, she will send me to Nokron. And Nokron is in the Seofa River too, like the underground city. Ranni's Rise. This is her tower. So we just go here, we go up, we accept her quest from her. And then we go down to that other tower here. We accept his quest too, because that guy will give me something later on that I will need. A talisman that will complete this build. But yeah, actually, this is a very fast pace, so if I can clear Nokron today, maybe. Like the lower Nokron, because there's upper Nokron too. That's different. This is Ranni.
A tarnished here. Thou must have some business in mind, though I have no reason in particular. Intriguing. Then mayhaps fate hath steered thee. Wilt thou enter? I am the witch Ranni, that I might wonder. Well,
Third Ranni the witch. A choice well made.
thou art a rare sword, but I require it. I anticipate. Good. There is in my service. I would have thee join him in searching for the hidden treasure of Nokron, the eternal city. I have called for Blythe to greet thee below. And there wilt thou find E.G. Heed not their peculiarities. Feel secure in gaining from them what advantage thou canst. I am sure the others will be doing. Speak with the thou needs. It hath been a Speak with thou needs. It hath been a path. Speak thou needs not. It hath been a path.
Okay, we got her quest. This is Ronnie's quest, and we just have to find Nokron. But to find Nokron, we have to defeat the guy over here. Not here. Over here, sorry. So, I will not do that today. Because that will make me more. I will do that tomorrow, not today. Today, I might do the lower Nokron, not the upper Nokron. Because the upper Nokron only unlocks when that guy is dead. So we have to talk to these guys.
Oh, the pleasure, Karian, I'm told. I will. Let us give all together.
Oh, Lady Ranni. These are all sims for Ranni. But I think the Ranni ending is the best. Oh, we have Blight here. Nice. This is Blade.
Name's Blight. Glad to have you. Well, I'm situated the Eternals. I'm planning to go below through the see if I can't find. I'm going below. See if I can't keep me wait. I'm going below through the well and then see if I can't find. Don't keep me waiting.
Okay.
I see. Yes. I don't know what, but since I asked, I resign and pay should if it were up to, but who? I reside in another tower. Come and pay me should you. If it were up to me, I wouldn't, but who am I? I resume and pay me should you wish to be of actual service to. If it were up to me, I wouldn't wish, but who am I to?
Okay. Yo, what's up, Asani? Okay. Sorry, I just read about some quests before I fuck up what I want to do. Oh, I have to talk to somebody else. No, I have to. Oh, I have to go back and talk to her. Did I talk to the guys? Okay, so wait, why is this guy still here?
Let us give together.
Okay, so Saluvis' questline is colliding with Ronnie's questline, but if I don't give Ronnie the last potion, it should be fine, and I can still complete Ronnie's quest. Pia's questline can only be accepted once I have the stuff that turns the that place, this place, top to bottom, like, you know what I mean, like it, so you can actually enter here. I have to go up here as well. How do I go up there? I think it's through here. And I need the Fia's questline because there's a boss. There's a dragon boss I want to kill.
I shall soon enter my, and it will be so this doll still. I look forward. I shall soon, and it will be. I have high.
Okay.
I shall, and it will be. I have high. Look forward.
Okay. Obviously, the Ronnie ending is the best ending out of all 6 endings, because there's the 8 of the Stars, her ending, there's the basic ending, there's the 3-finger ending, there's the Golden Order ending, there's the Dung Eater ending, and there's Fia's ending. The Ivory something. There's 6 endings to this game. I've done all of them, but you can only get achievement for like 4 of them, I believe, or 3, not for all 6. But you're doing the Ronnie ending because that's the best ending. And that's the most complicated one. Actually, the bad ending, like the when you turn evil, that's kind of complicated too, but it's not too bad. It's not that bad, but it's kind of bad. Okay, now I can go accept that guy's quest. Ooh, not here. Here is fine. And we have to find the hidden chamber. Actually, I haven't done this quest line. I'm doing this because there's an item I need from this guy called some kind of scorpion charm that is really good for this build, what I'm doing.
Well, did you not realize? Perhaps I'd like you to. Even you can do. Good. Now I shall find Nepheli. I expect. I've no time. The only thing are we and I have enough. I've no time. The only thing are we and I have enough.
Okay, so somewhere the there's a hold on. So the guide said that Saluvis' hidden chamber is basically next to his shit. It's like, oh, I see. It's here. I haven't. Okay, so there should be a hidden wall there. I have to look up a guide for this because I haven't done this quest line. That's why I don't even have the this item I'm going for, or the spell I'm going for, because he will become a vendor once I do this quest. Fuck this dragon, dude.